Good morning to all the students of class 3 once again. We will now begin with chapter number 16 called Animals in Our Houses. Children, do you have any pet or domestic animal at home? Or your friends or anyone? Where do they get their food from? Can you tell me which type of an animal is a lizard? Well, today we are going to learn about shelters for domestic animals and pets, food for domestic animals and our pets, caring for domestic animals and our pets, and lastly, uninvited guests. Some animals give us many useful things. We tame these animals for our use. These animals are called domestic animals or simply farm animals. Cows, buffaloes, horses, hen, etc. are some domestic animals. Some animals are kept at home. They are called pet animals. Dogs, cats, rabbits, parrots, and fish are some pets. These animals are just like our family members. Let us talk about shelter for domestic animals and pets. I would like to show you some pictures in your book. You can see cows shed, a horse in the stable, a dog in the kennel, fish in the aquarium, hens in a coop, and a parrot in a cage. People make comfortable shelters for their pets and domestic animals. Cows and other cattle are kept in sheds. Horses are kept in stables, dogs are kept in kennels, fish are kept in aquariums, hens are kept in coops, and pet birds are kept in cages. Food for domestic animals and pets. Animals need food and water to survive. All domestic animals do not eat the same type of food. They are provided with specific food. Cows and buffaloes are given green grass, hay, and grain in the feeding trays. Dogs and cats are given milk, bread, meat. Horses are given green grass and grams. Hens feed on grains. Caring for domestic animals and pets. Just as we take care of each other, we must take care of domestic animals and pets. Following are some of the things that we should do to take care of these animals. We should give them proper and comfortable shelter. We should clean their shelter regularly so that no dirt and germs are left there. They should be given a proper bath from time to time. The feet or hooves of cattle and horses must be cleaned. Plenty of clean and fresh water should be kept for them all the time. Most important, they should be given fresh and healthy food to eat. They should be taken to a doctor for consultation and treatment in case of any symptom of illness that is noticed. The doctor who treats animals is called a veterinarian or simply a vet. Children, let us talk about uninvited guests. Let me show you this picture on the screen, which is in your book. You can see the picture of lizard, cockroach, mosquito, spider, and rat, right? All animals that live in our house are not pets. Some animals creep into our houses just like uninvited guests. They are pests and insects. Have you observed a lizard on the wall? Are you scared of it? There's no need to be. It helps us by eating insects. At night, if you switch on the light in the kitchen, you may spot a rat and some cockroaches. They come out in the night in search of food. They are pests. They can cause diseases. The sound of a cat often scares rats out of the house. Let us talk about keeping pests and insects away. We can take the following steps to drive away pests and insects from our house. We should clean the house regularly to keep it free of cobwebs. Sprinkle a mix of powdered sugar and baking soda or borax around drains to control cockroaches. To keep away flies and mosquitoes, use a wire mesh on your doors and windows. Food and water should always be covered. Rats and cockroaches come out of their hiding places at night in search of food. We can use a rat trap to catch rats and block all areas from where they can enter the house. Clean out spider webs from all the corners of the houses and from behind cupboards using a broom with a long handle. Did you know Most spiders have a poisonous bite which they use to stun or kill their prey. Check your pet's hair regularly, especially in the rainy season, and remove ticks with a tweezer because dog tick feed on blood of the host animals. Dust mites are tiny animals that collect in warm and dusty places, such as under the carpet or the bed. They do not bite, but their body wastes can cause rashes. Hence, we should dust, sweep, and mop the house every day. Allow sunlight to enter the house because it kills germs. Children, let us recall everything that we have done in this chapter. Pets and domestic animals mostly live in the shelter made by man. Different animals have different eating habits. Cattle feed on green grass and hay. Hen feeds on grains. Dog feed on bread, milk, etc. We should love and take care of our pets and domestic animals. Pests are those animals who live in our house as uninvited guests. Lizards, rat, cockroach, etc. are some pests. Pests mostly harm and spread diseases around the house. So we should remove them from our houses. With this, we come to the end of our chapter today. Have a good day until we meet again for the chapter number 16. Thank you and have a nice day.